Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok account is currently suspended. Make sure to watch video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you have that issue and it pops up, first of all, make sure that you can screenshot your phone once you get that message. So if you have that message that your account is suspended, then make sure that you save a screenshot of it. Then from here, all you have to do is to exit the application, then go to your browser. And then from here, in the search box, write support.tiktok.com and then search for it. Once it loads you to here, all you have to do is to scroll down until you see using TikTok and then click on report a problem. Once you click on here, click on report a problem. Then from here, it's going to show you this page where you can click on you can also contact us through online reporting form. Click on that one. Then it's going to show you this page right here where you can report a problem. Then click on topic. Make sure that you choose access and security. And then category, you can either choose ban account, but you can also choose just other. Then write in your username, the contact email that you would like, additional details mentioning that your account got suspended without any specific reason, and for you to unban it. And then for the attachments, optional, make sure that you upload the screenshot that we have just taken for the account being suspended. And then make sure to double check those for declaration and then submit. And they will contact you back to your contact email in a matter of less than a few days, and your problem should be solved. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.